Hey, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day out there in interweb land. Jason Michael Hull coming at you today. Hope you're, again, doing well. I'm just going to bounce over here to Facebook real quick, make sure that we are good to go. Sound, video, awesomeness. All right, guys. Cool beans. I named this video Monster Bitcoin Trade and Promo Ending. I'm going to talk about that here. It's going to be a pretty short video. I've got a ton of stuff going on in my life today, as always. So as you come on to the quick video, say hello, and obviously let me know who you are and where you're watching from and all that stuff. So what is going on with crypto, right? People are panicking. They're like, oh my gosh, it's down 20%. Everything is, screaming, blood in the streets. It's not even close to that yet, by the way. But the point is, guys, is if you know how to trade, I'm going to say this again. If you know how to trade, if you have trained your eyes and trained your brain and you understand how the markets move, you can make money. No guarantee of income. And I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy that's been doing this for over 7 years. You can make money whether the markets go up or whether the markets go down. And I absolutely crushed Bitcoin. I'm going to show it to you, right? I'm going to show it to you right here on this session. Again, guys, I'm going to reiterate this, right? This is about you learning. This is about you learning right now, right? How to do this. Not going through, my personal opinion is not going onto YouTube and finding the latest, greatest meme coin BS, right? This is not about you going and trying to learn from some guru and you're out there on an island by yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, this is about you learning the skill of trading, right? So that you can take advantage of the markets no matter what direction. Am I a holder in Bitcoin? Of course I am, right? I've talked about this before. I have portfolio that I have, obviously, right? But the point is that I also have a trading account. Well, obviously, like I talked about before, I've been doing this for 7 years, so I better have a trading account. So I have a trading account that, right, can be an amazing resource if the market is going down as well. Hello, Sue Hunter. Say hello. Simon Kendrick's in the house. John Club. Hello, my awesome friend, and everybody else that's on here that's just too shy to say hello. All right, let me go ahead and show you this Bitcoin, and we're going to talk about this promo because now's the time to start learning this with us. We got a promo going on as well. All right, here's that trade. I'm going to show you here real quick. It was amazing, right? And I know, like I said before, I know that we have people that are like, oh my gosh, what is going on? Maybe they bought up here, right? There's a 1 hour chart. Maybe they bought up here at these previous highs and things of that nature. Guys, you just got to know how to trade. You got to learn how to trade. That's it. Learn how to trade. And this is what this trade was. This is actually on the 1 hour time frame. I'm usually a lower time frame trader, but I saw, right, some awesomeness going on in the charts. Let me actually just come up here to the 4 hour and show you guys here for a second, right? We have what's called a break of structure. And again, I'm not going to go through all the details on how I trade and all that stuff, guys. You can get all that when you come into the team, okay? But I just want to show you the mindset. Okay, so we have a break of structure here on the 4 hour. We then had a retracement, and then we had this dump, right? So these are relatively equal lows over in here. Look at all this. Look at all this, right? I put a line right here. These are all relatively equal lows. This is a zone, right? This is a low zone right in here. And what happens majority of the time? These get taken, okay, because people think that they trade with support and resistance, which, by the way, does not work. Right? You need to trade using the smart money methods that we teach and that you can use with the scanner as well, the Impulse scanner. It is awesome, okay, and how this works. So all I did was come down here on the 1 hour time frame, and this is part of my trade plan, right? We had a break of structure to the downside, right in here. I showed that before, right? Boom. Here's another area right in here. This broke structure came right back to this banker's candle. Let me show it to you. Again, this was all taught in some of the smart money stuff that we do, right? And this is this area of a banker's candle, got in right there. This is the entry for the sell. And here was the gold crushed, right? Now, why did I get out here? Why didn't I let it go? Some people are saying this is going down to 20,000. It might, right? There might do a lot of different things. But again, guys, I'm not here predicting the market, or I'm not here to guess which direction or where it's going to go. I just go based on what my trade plan is. And the reason that I got out in this area is because of this. Let me show you real quick. There is an area right here, another liquidity block, where we could get a reversal possibly. And I just wanted to be out of that trade. I had a beautiful trade. Actually, this trade closed. I talk about it all the time to our team. I'm like, some of the most money I've ever made. Again, guys, there is no guarantee of income here. Okay, you have to obviously come in and start learning the process and learning what we do. And it is simple. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. But it's not easy, right? So it was easy. Like I said, everyone would do it. So this is an area of liquidity. And I'm like, this is a great area to get out. And this is why I woke up to pips. So that's exactly what happened. And so anyway, awesome trade here on the 1 hour on Bitcoin. So if you're freaking out right now, if you're like, oh my gosh, the sky is freaking falling, we're not at 100,000 yet. People, and we had some issues with the Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong. People expected it to be a monster event. Turned out to be a little bit of a dud as far as that goes. But the reality, guys, that the biggest banks in the world are still betting on Bitcoin. Do you want to be right on the side of the biggest banks in the world, which control the markets, right? Or do you want to be going against that? That's your choice. Or just not even say, okay, I'm just not going to do anything with it. We have somebody on our team that was like, talked about it today. It was like, man, I saw Bitcoin at 3,000 and I thought it was a fluke. Okay. Right? Don't beat yourself up about it, but now is the time to learn. In every single cycle, I mean, I talk about this. You can do your research. You can go back, and I would highly recommend doing your own research, doing your own due diligence. In every single cycle, and a cycle for Bitcoin, by the way, guys, is a 4-year cycle. Every 4 years we have the halving. We just had it about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, right? April 20th in that area, 19th. Okay, so the reality is that every single cycle, we see this pullback after the halving, right? It happens every single time. Look at this chart, right? This is a monthly chart from back here when Bitcoin was $4, right? People buying pizzas with Bitcoin, okay? Craziness. This is just absolutely insane. Anyway, and then what do we have here? We had this giant meteoric rise up to 1,000, then a pullback. This is how the markets move, guys. The markets do not go in one straight line direction. It's just not how it works. And again, we teach you all of this stuff when you become a member of the team. So every single time that a halving has happened, which again doesn't cut the overall supply, it cuts the new supply that rewards miners for mining the coins in half. Okay, so every single time we've had a pullback, every single time, right? And these pullbacks are healthy for the market. So what do you do in a pullback? Well, if you know how to trade, aka hello, baby, right? You know how to trade, take advantage of that, right? If you don't know how to trade, you can be what's called a hodler, hold on for dear lifer, right? And that's one of the things that I do. Again, I am a trader, I am a portfolio owner, all that stuff, okay? But I know that this is just a pullback. If we zoom in here, right? This is a pullback, right? To then go in the direction that I want it to go. And I have no idea how low it's going to go. Right? There's reasons for it to come down into here. There's reasons for it to come down into here. Again, I'm not making a prediction, guys. This is not what this is about. This is about you learning how to take advantage of what is happening. Okay. But here's what I know and completely believe this. Cryptocurrency is the future. And you can debate me on that, whatever you want to do, right? The monetary system in our world is broken. And the cryptocurrency, for a lot of different people and a lot of different reasons, I'm not getting to that right now, is the answer. Okay, so do not allow yourself to panic. Okay, what you want to do is you want to educate yourself. Educate yourself in how to take advantage of the markets. That is what you need to do. So how do you do that, right? How you do that is become a member of Team Abundance. That is the next step. And the second part of this video is the promo is ending soon. I did a promo video yesterday, right? On this promo that's ending on the 6th of May. So you've got 6 days, including today and the 6th, to make a decision, right? Now is the time. If you want that promo video, send me a link or send me a message or comment on this video and I will send that over to you. Okay. This promo is insane. If you want to learn how to trade crypto, Forex, indices, stocks, right? We can help you learn the skill. If you want to build that portfolio, if you want to come in and you want to be like, man, I don't want to spend time to learn how to trade and banker's candles and all that different kind of stuff. That's cool. You don't have to do that. You can come in here and scalp the cryptocurrency market. You can scalp. We have tons of people on our team, guys, over 6,000 people on our team. Tons of success, right? But again, not a get-rich-quick scheme. You got to train your eyes and train your brain and come in here and start the process. So now is the time. If you want to learn how to take advantage of the markets, whether they're going up or they're going down, send me a message, right? If you want to learn how to build a portfolio, right, send me a message. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just a regular guy who helps people. I've done it for over 22 years, 7 years plus right here with this team and this awesome company. So you're in the right place at the right time, but now you got to make the right decision. And the right decision is sending me a message or commenting on this post. Let's get you in the know so you're not missing out, right, in the future. By the way, if you are watching this on one of my team member sites or their pages or their social media, get back in touch with them. They will give you that promo, the same thing that I will give you to my personal members coming in. All right, that's it, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Remember, God loves you without a shadow of a doubt, and we'll see you on the inside. Send that message. Be blessed, everybody. Bye for now.